Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Full Circle Trader. So the participation, to some extent has gone down, which is like not good for the channel. But let's wait for a couple of minutes for the people to join in. We have a very nice session in market today. So good things, good stuff to share. I mentioned yesterday that I have taken a bull put spread, in Nifty. However, I wanted to mention it, but due to some time limit, I skipped it yesterday. So I'm gonna share the trade that I have taken, this week, and probably I'll share it at the end of the video. So do watch the complete video, the entire video, to understand the logic behind the trade that I have taken. In the meanwhile, let me just set up a couple of things and then we'll start. Okay, so I think we should start, and people may join later as and when they get the time. So we have a very nice gap up day today. If you remember, I mentioned that after this power move to the upside, which has taken more than 95-96% of the previous candle, shows the power from the bull side, and we will definitely have some sort of follow through. And we had the gap up day today. The prices got stuck because of this flat 50 MA, and that could be one reason. We cannot say for sure, but 50 MA on the daily time frame is a very strong time frame, and a lot of big money, smart money, and HNI traders do follow this time frame. So maybe people don't get comfortable when prices do reach up to this level where they are touching the 50 MA. So maybe because of that, some sort of selling came in and prices came below. But a very nice bullish session today. Prices, hit this resistance area and they closed within this resistance area. So, although they have hit a very powerful, resistance in the daily time frame, which had the strong open interest as well. However, sellers did not achieve the target maybe they wanted to get by pushing the prices down and close it in the red or below the resistance area. So this is where bulls have really achieved something, I should say. So things are looking little positive as of now in Nifty. If you can see, India VIX has also cooled off and it came below 18. So currently it is at 17.45. So now what tomorrow? That's the very next question that comes to our mind, because today's day has been gone. If you have made money, that's very that's commendable. If you haven't made and waiting for tomorrow, so what should be our next plan for tomorrow? That's the question that comes into our mind. So in my opinion, maybe this 50 MA, which is rising to flat 50 MA, is definitely gonna play its role. And if we look at this hourly time frame, prices are within this resistance zone. However, any opportunity for buyers to push the prices above is definitely gonna change the game here, because we do not have anything to the left which can stop the prices moving in the upside. So in a sense, I'm kind of, the bias that I have is from neutral to bullish, and I think this is the right opportunity to buy call if prices, open and they sustain and they keep up, the momentum, and just keep up moving to the upside. That would be very bullish to me. So I think, if prices continue to move to the upside, that would be a very nice opportunity to move to buy the calls here. If we look at the 15-minute time frame, so we have gapped up, we have a gap up yesterday, but then prices came down to this gap fill area, and then they again move up. Today they have cleared this resistance area at 17,300, and now they are into this daily resistance zone. So we are not very sure because prices are moving back and forth in the 20 MA in 15-minute time zone. But let's see if we'll go ahead and look into the data points from open interest point of view and from what is happening in the US market to get some sense for tomorrow. But as of now, things are looking quite bullish in Nifty, and if they cleared this level, so let me just tell you this again. So if prices open and clear this resistance tomorrow, that would be again an opportunity to buy. My advice would be, or what I basically want in market is to come down little bit, consolidate, come down little bit, and then start to move back up. That if that happens, then it will move with more force, and that is what I'm looking for. Just excuse me for a while. Excuse me. Now let's just move on to the Banknifty chart. So nice gap up day, and we have prices consolidating just below this resistance at 40,000. So again, a bullish kind of scenario which is building in Banknifty. And if you remember, I told you yesterday that Banknifty is sort of looking more bullish than Nifty, and it doesn't have anything up until this cluster of prices here. So if it again moves up, we would again see a nice momentum here. Although it made a very small range candle today, which means that although it gapped up in a very bullish momentum, however prices did consolidate the entire day. So why this has happened? Maybe because of this strong resistance area, so people might not be feeling very comfortable keep buying. So when they get the first opportunity to buy at the opening, because if you look at the 2-minute chart, this is where the prices have opened. This is the next opportunity where which scalpers might have taken the advantage of. But then because of this resistance, which is the nearby resistance, maybe traders have not felt that comfortable to keep on buying or keep on increasing their position size. So that could be like one of the reasons. So but if this momentum keep going on, because consolidation here at this point in time means that whatever selling might be coming in the day, buyers have tried to consume all that selling. So that's a bullish sign. We might see some sort of pullback or drop down when markets will open tomorrow. But in my opinion, when they will catch up with this rising 20 MA, it will again give a force to prices to move back up. Now let's just quickly see what is happening on the data point side. So on 17,500, we have the highest open interest, if you can see, and on the put side we have at 17,000. So 17,500 is the kind of zone which this Nifty has created for today. We might see a different scenario tomorrow, but I think these are the two zones we should keep in mind which may play their role in this expiry. If we look at the Nifty futures, so we have the gap up scenario, but it looks like that open interest, doesn't look very much interested in the market, and we have seen, the open interest which reduced on this gap up. So when there is an increase in the price and reduction in the open interest, that is, as a rule, that is not good. But we cannot 100% rely only on the data side. Charts are one of the main graphical representation of it, and what we are seeing is that there is a bullish thing which has happened yesterday and today. So we have to go by what is happening on the chart. But a kind of mix and match kind of thing which is happening in the market. So on the data front, we the market is telling us at 17,500 we have a very strong resistance, and the open interest is also slowed down. It reduced when prices gap up. However, the chart is telling us that the momentum has just got increased. It has cleared this resistance, nearby resistance at 17,400. So let's see where market open today, and that will give us a lot of clear picture. In the US markets, most of the markets are green as of now. It looks like that American markets are kind of doing the same thing which happened today in our market. So prices did gap up, and now they are coming back. So it's a gap and crap kind of a scenario which is looking at the moment. S&P 500 again gap up and now coming back down. So we are not sure. Maybe by the end of this session, bulls might gain some control over the price and move the prices or push the prices to the upside, making this bar as a bottoming tail bar. So this is what is happening at the moment. If you have any questions, please do ask them. I would really love if more and more people will join the live session and ask questions. That will definitely encourage me. So if you like the session, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe the channel if you are not on Full Circle Trader yet, and hope to catch you soon in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.